Hi, my name is Katie and I'm a Dyson expert, and today I'm going to answer the question, how can I link my phone to my purifier? So on your device you want to download the Dyson Link app, so it just looks like that there, the black background with the white Dyson logo. You want to open up the app, and on the home screen you should see three horizontal lines in the left hand corner. If you click on that, you should get a black pop-up menu, and there's a purple button that says add machine beside it. You want to click on that as well. And you need to make sure that your machine is plugged in and switched on, and then the device will find the machine. So I have the Dyson Pure Hot and Cool here beside me, and my device has found that machine. You want to click on that machine, and then you need to hold your device. You just follow the instructions on the screen. So it says to hold my device close to the machine. Now I need to press the power button on my machine, and it's just going to take a second to pair the machine to the phone. Then a purple banner should come up to continue setup, and it's just finishing connecting, and another purple banner should come up to say continue, and then it says to personalize your machine. So if you have multiple machines, you might call this one the living room one, and another one maybe the bedroom machine, and so you can just select what type of room it's in, and then you have to select what date you purchased the machine on as well. And then before you get started, there'll be a purple banner as well to say okay, get started, and that'll just take a second, and then your machine should come up on your home screen, so I can see the air quality in the room that this machine is in. I can control it using the remote, so I can control it completely from my device, and that's how you connect your device or your phone to your purifier. If you have any other questions, you can visit dyson.ie and live chat with a Dyson expert, or if you have any other demo requests, you can leave a comment below this video and use the hashtag #AskADysonExpert.